Currently, we're doing geothermal outside. We're drilling 32 wells, approximately 400 feet deep. Those wells will be the cornerstone of our HVAC system. The way geothermal works, it's a really neat system. Ground temperature is a constant 55 degrees in the earth. What happens in the winter, we draw that heat up, that 55-degree warm air, we run it through tubes, we bring it into the building, and through a heat exchanger, we take that warm air and we get that into the building. Conversely, in the summer, the way it works is we draw the hot air out of the building back into our geo wells and we dissipate it into that 55-degree, that cooler temperatured earth. So it's slightly more expensive on the front end, but over the longevity of the building, there's a huge cost savings in gas and electric bills. You know, the winter weather has been interesting. Those guys have been out there every day putting in wells. When it was 0 degrees out, they were out there drilling. When it was snowing out, they were out there drilling. The well drillers do need water. The hose line is frozen up. That's actually been the only issue we've really run into. Our exterior glazing system is in. It is unique. It is a triple pane system. Typically in a building of this type, you'd see double pane glass there, but we were looking for that energy efficiency. We've got the hole for our grand staircase. We've removed approximately 60 feet long by 25 feet wide of our concrete tees, and that'll be a major feature in the building. In the basement, within the next 2 weeks, we hope to be starting our ductwork, and then right after that, we'll be putting in our fire suppression sprinkler pipes. Ductwork on the first floor is almost complete, and we plan on starting drywall on this floor next week.